Guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to Lover's Leap. So we're gonna stop and buy some fruits from over that place. That fruit place over there. On the street side. So you're gonna go?
We gonna go.
We?
Mm-hmm.
I did not want to come.
Oh, if you don't come,
I thought my mom was gonna go.
the price
Make
will
mommy
be
go,
times
make
three.
mommy go, cause mommy can. Oh, baby asleep. Someone are
Maybe I sleep, so are you okay?
you? Give me the money.
Hold this like this for me. Hold this. Hold this.
So we're going over there. We're gonna get some fruits. How much a bunch of banana? The ripe bunch. Yeah, the bunch. Oh yeah, 100, yeah. Ripe. You ripe? That feel like a green. Alright, how much your pine? Pine, they look at them. No, I don't want it. Pine. Yeah. How much? $500 for that? $500 for it? We're going to peel it? Yeah, peel it. What?
It's a bill.
Really? 12 bills.
Sugar pine.
Okay.
Rocky.
I have no red banana. Red banana, but do you want?
Peel and slice.
Guys, we just stopped to get some pine. I was gonna buy red banana, but they don't have any. So this is a little food place near to when you're on your way to Mandeville. I may buy pine $1,200. No?
I left that in my wallet at home. Everything. Are you telling him to peel it already?
Yeah.
I don't have any money with me.
All this.
I left it at home.
So we're going. I'm like, we're not gonna wait today. Okay?
Yeah. Is there nothing in your bag? No money at all. Did you get something? Are these not bananas?
They're not ripe.
But this one looks like it is ripe. This one. Okay. Oh, the sky is so bright. My head is shining. because of the rays of the sun. Uh-huh. Wow, this is the apple, Jamaican apple.
Nice houses. Yes, our St. Elizabeth. Yeah, we're heading to St. Elizabeth. So if you look over there, you can see all the vegetables that they are planting over there. And down here, the dirt is red like in Nigeria.
In my part of Nigeria.
Yes, in your part of Nigeria, yeah. It's red dirt.
But it's not completely the same thing, because here, like Mogo, for instance,
Yeah.
Thompson Town, for instance, they have red dirt, red sand, but if you dig, you get white stone.
Oh.
Just a little dig and there is white stone.
Yeah.
Even the red dirt here on the surface is mixed with little white stones. In my area, there is no white stone. No stones. Just sand.
Oh, so you can't get two big stones to lick down somebody.
No.
Somebody a fight, you can't get two pieces of stone.
No.
At Jamaica, you find stone everywhere.
I can see. In our place, no. You only find. You use hand or stick.
Oh, sir. You just lick them down with two big stones.
Even sticks.
I want half a block.
Even sticks is not easily found like that.
Oh, we passed yesterday other day, innit? No? When we look over yonder, over so.
I don't think we passed here the other day.
This look like Duck's Poetry here. This look like a Duck's Poetry. And you know some people are driving, some of them are blasty. I mean, them are drive fast. You know?
Yeah.
They're crazy, innit? I think that's what's Poetry. Check your navigator and say what's Poetry.
Why they doing it like that here is because they have never seen any other highway that is better than this.
Is this highway?
Where,
It's not a
yeah.
highway. This look like Spurtree Hill. That's Spurtree Hill, a long hill for go down to that. This is Spurtree Hill.
Holy crap.
You know, I come off a hill and something to reach down.
Can you drive slowly? Yeah, I don't like this fast driving down this hill.
I do.
I know you do, but I
I'm not
don't.
fast. This is 90.
It's that 90. That is fast. You need to be going 50.
Hey, Mom, if you were in an F1 car, you'd want to come out and
It's not miles, it's kilometers.
shut up.
Just feel like you drive fast.
Yeah, I thought it does. But it's fine.
Oh. That oats. Oh, I used to love that kind of oats.
What
So, Robs, you see this side? This side called St. Elizabeth, yeah?
Yeah.
St. Elizabeth, as I said to you before, this is where you see the red dirt like over Nigeria.
Yeah.
Here's how
In
they
300 meters, turn right onto Pedro Cross to Junction Lititz Road.
Here's how they mostly plant vegetables and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
So, down here, so you'll find them red-skinned woman. St. Elizabeth, guys. We're in St. Elizabeth. Down here, so you see? Most of the women them where see a pass, them are red-skinned people. And so them said this is where the some Igbo people come from.
Turn right onto Pedro
You
Cross to
understand?
Junction Lititz Road.
Yes. So down here, so in the slave time, they say this is where they drop off the Jamaicans that come from here, but migrate from Nigeria.
That house is nice though.
Yeah, nice and simple. We migrate from Nigeria. So down here, so you'll find some Igbo blood.
Continue for 9 kilometers.
And Sierra Leonean. This is the side. So that's why most of you see some Jamaican. That's why sometimes you see some most Jamaican look like Igbo people or Sierra Leone. So this is the side where they come from. And the people them down this side, they speak just like Sierra Leonean. Just like them. Not like when you hear me speak. They speak just like Sierra Leonean. And some of them have some African words that they use as well from Nigeria. Yeah, so I'm taking him through St. Elizabeth. We're going to Lovers Leap. One drunk crew. And down here have a lot of nice houses, guys. A lot of nice houses are here in St. Elizabeth. Look at this one. Very beautiful. Beautiful houses.
It's like modern house.
Yeah.
No much design.
That's all how it should be, not too much design.
Wow. Lots of design there, but it's
Oh, the window. Yeah, the window won't down because so me can't get me video properly. Yeah. You can't see the sun through the window. Yeah. And so, it's down this side as well, Robert. Is that where you find man with money?
really.
Yes, the man them down this side always have money. When they live down this side, they can't hungry. You're not short of food. And you just can't notice, if you notice, you pay a job, come here, you see a big house there, see that show? You notice, look, you hardly see any chaka house. So don't you so? Them man don't you so have money. Because they do their farming and stuff like that. They make, eh?
Police station.
They make money from farming. So we are 14 minutes away. Oh, look over this now.
Oh, that's the ferry and Jamaican things.
It's nice, man. You don't live again, so I'm not telling no lie. The place look good. a big house.
Remember, go to the place we shall go back.
Here a big house up on the clear. I think Jamaica full of hill. Jamaica land not really level, you know. I must say only Clarendon alone level. Not true. You know, like you know, me a pen. Stop. Look at the red dirt.
Okay, I'm recording.
You see? You see?
But I will say if you turn back.
They say you're supposed to turn left.
Figure all of us sleep.
Yeah, you see? We tell you, they plant vegetable. Look. Look on the vegetable. You see? So them are going to ship you out now.
They're not straight for that again. You sure?
Take the next right onto Big Yard Road.
You see? This one. That's what it says.
Oh! Yes, my funny road.
Head east on Kincaid Junction Main Road.
But why go back up to 8 before this says 6? Oh, there's 6.
Continue on Big Yard Road for 2 kilometers.
Yeah, I found that road.
Large farms and large tomato farm. This is green tomatoes yet. They will soon be ripe and become red. Large land for agriculture all over here. Vast agricultural land upon the mountainside. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are in Lover's Sleep. Here we are. Where are we?
We love sleep because we are lovers. So we have to come to this place.
Yes. I think I need to go get you flower down there. This flower looks like if they are someone's flower, you know. But I'm gonna go get you it. And
So Robert, have to come out the car to get me flowers. You never see them kind of flowers there yet. Look how far my rain go.
Bush. People live around here. Nice house around here.
baby, you know I love you. I really do. And I proclaim my love to you every day. Whenever the opportunity comes, I don't miss it. I'm a shy person. I don't proclaim my love like this all the time. But when it comes to loving you, I don't want to be shy. I love you, baby.
Thank you. So he gave me flowers. So guys, we're driving. Can I buy back?
Him can't buy back. He
No,
never
no,
say
it's fine.
Robert can't buy back.
That's what he said.
I don't know where I have to park now.
That's all of us.
I think you can park there. So guys, we're driving into Lover's Leap.
Make a U-turn, then turn right onto Lover's Leap Road.
Don't pay it no mind, you reach.
I know, but cars just park like this.
You probably have to park over there.
Okay, let me go see first.
You know, see, I see you're supposed to go. There's a parking beside this grey.
Okay.
This, you know, so come like a only them pick the mama go get something to eat. Because them places are always expensive, you know.
Yeah.
And then now we leave our cars and our way coming. So I have money, but I don't think it's gonna be enough. Practice what you preach.